because we need to have as much power for this hour. This is the Power Hour with Knot Nation. Welcome to our nature walk. Hosted by who? By me, but more importantly, Mother Nature. And we were thinking about elements, right? Elements, rock, wind, water, and air. They're gonna be earth. Earth, wind, water, and air. And this is gonna be the themes. And thankfully we have all that here in Southern Ontario, so we can just explore home for now. So yeah, I get the battery. This is Hamilton. What do you think about Hamilton? Hamilton brings back many memories, many experiences. These houses are so old, they're Victorian houses, and to me they have so much character. What kind of lives have lived here hundreds of years ago?
Well, survival is for survival, you know. In this time, especially going through so much struggle. You know, when you struggle to survive. So we're always in a struggle. Well, you see, black people only have to make up their mind who them is, you know. And the problem is all over because we lack a unity. We get pressure and oppression, see? So if I and I know who, as you would call, black people, know I myself as Rasta, then, you know, there's a different thing that is altogether what it really is. And what he is, then no man can fight what he is. Because, you know, we are dealing with God. Because in that team, there's a struggle there. That is a real struggle. And plenty of people try to skip the struggle, you know, and try to make life much easier. Someplace, sometime, somehow, somewhere. Easier, you know. But easier don't really last your time because the struggle is to make our people know say Christ upon earth and the name Rastafari, and all of our people now must know the truth and deal with it. Because if we don't deal with it, you know, it's judgment time, and there's some who God really picked that some must survive. So we are called for the survivors them now. You know, because it's not a joke. Those who survive, most of them have to survive because it is an inborn thing in them. They know that. So we want to get around now because, you know, we can't wait much longer.
You know what really sucks? People with fear of COVID-19. It's a crazy world that we live in. So being in nature kind of resets that. It makes you realize that, you know, the world still is normal in certain parts if you find it in the woods. There is sanity out here. If you feel like you're going insane, find some nature. Because I get it, people are cooped up. You see here it says water is life. And this is what we're here hiking and doing. No? So, how you doing? Well, there's two. There's this one, and then there's a bigger one at the top. But you have to hike off trail.
It's like a hidden path, eh?
Yeah.
Is it treacherous? Or?
Yeah, it's pretty rugged. All right. Jimmy Laporte asks, "Hey bro, I've been growing months and some dreads start to split. Is there something to do? I feel like they undread, or at least split from 1 to 2. Will like some feedback. So the thing about dreads undreading is that it might happen, you know, and that's normal. All you can really do is encourage them to dread back together by either, maybe you can rubber band the root a little bit, you could crochet it a little bit, you could just leave it and hope that it does go back together. You could twist it back a bit, but essentially it will end up going together, and if it doesn't, then it's just meant that it's not meant to be a combined dread right now. So it will dread in time. It's best just not to worry. And he says, and at 8 months, it would actually be a great time, because at 8 months your hair is already locked up pretty good. So another month or 2 after that, it's going to be all dread. It's like that saying, finding gold, giving up right before you're about to strike gold. You know, you're 2 feet away from gold. Hang in there. Nice. So this one just connected. Zoomed in. Yo, this is heavy as hell. Holy crap.
Sorry, I'm ready. Is that why? I could do both.
Stand there. We're gonna This is such a cool spot. That guy's basically going to talk about a hairstyle I like to do because I have freeform locks that are getting pretty long. And the easiest thing I do is actually this, the headband. This is the easiest thing that I could typically tie my hair up with. So this is like the headband slash neck gaiter slash bandana type. And owning these is an essential. This is like a COVID-19 essential item for dreadheads, because once you put them on, and especially if your hair is in the stage when you know it's a bit frizzier, or maybe you have a bit more of a dry scalp this day, and you don't want to deal with having to go through, you know, displaying that in public, if you will, you can always throw a gaiter on and watch how effective. Essentially just like, not totally effective there, was it? Like this. Oh, and by the way, these videos are organic like our hair. Unlike our herbs we smoke. And anyways, that's the easiest way to get the dreads out of your face or your hair. So yeah, that's why they're an essential item in my book. And if you ever forget your mask and you're trying to go in a store, it always works for a second to do this. But then you see I get the frizzy hair happening after I pull it down. And this is something that we're trying to fight the stigma against, is that why is this not acceptable, society? It's just hair. Calm down. I can do this for you though. You know, we can do this and it kind of fixes it and you're good for as long as you want. And then I don't know. I just feel weird. I just feel weird when people don't think that they worry about the frizzy hair. You can always fix it with one of these, though. That's what people do. They pull these dreadlock tools out and they fix them with crochet hooks. Can I show you these really quick? Here, you can just get a close up of it from where you are.
I'm close. I
Oh, yeah?
Zoom
All right, this is the number one, 0.5 millimeter single crochet hook, and this is good for type 1 hair. This is good for making an initial dread. This is probably the go-to for most people. But if you're looking to combine your dreadlocks, and sorry, before I move on from the single hook, this is also a crochet hook that is a single hook.
Hold
But
on. Okay, move back just a little.
like that's good right here.
Come closer.
Come on, yeah.
Here.
Whoa. You can also just position it with the camera head.
Alright.
All right.
Okay. Now I'll take the opposite of this. Alright. And go.
I was saying that these are both single-headed crochet hooks. One is a 0.5. The other one looks to be like a 0.3, maybe 0.25. These are the go-to for most people to get their locks crocheted if that's the way they're going. But like if you're doing Congos or wicks, kind of like this one that I attempted to do here, you're gonna need something a bit more heavy duty than this, which is gonna be these double-headed ones, which is essentially 2 crochet hooks. Oh, that's a cool spot. I wonder if it picked up.
Oh, for sure.
Look at this.
That's sick.
Is I'm just gonna be like, all right, so the best thing you can do, I'm gonna kind of move around, and then I'm gonna come back in the frame because I'm gonna say something else like this, and you can talk to me like that. Oh yeah, that's cool. Oh, that's crazy. Are you looking at my screen when you did that?
No.
Oh,
Is that good?
yeah, no, yeah, that looks good.
Good.
Get that, the big one there, at the back of my neck. Yeah, that one there.
It's like 5 in there or what? 6? Holy.
Damn. I haven't even seen my head like this before. That's crazy. Yeah, that's a proud one.
Look at that. This side. Look at that.
Needs a good cleaning.
Look how many. 1, 2, 3,
Kind of looks like a squid, that
5,
one.
6, 7 of them.
Yeah, it kind of looks like a big squid.
This one too is doing the same thing,
Oh yeah, look at
right?
that,
Look
right
at
beside
that.
it.
Right beside it.
Zoom
That's
in,
4.
zoom in on that at the root. Is like there's like a build up there. Down a bit. Yeah, what is that?
Yep. It's build up.
Gotta get the scrubbing in there.
Yep. Yeah. All by your scalp.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Damn. So I need some help with that.
It's also, you also got to remember that the ends of the hairs Okay,
break
when
off.
they pull out of your head, they have this little white root.
They do.
So people think that it's all this white dandruff, but when you look at it, it's actually the balls of the hair.
You think so?
A lot of it.
That's an interesting point of view, because I do have a lot of those white follicles, and I actually think the first time I cut my dreads, I felt like when I cut it open, I saw that, and it wasn't really mold. It was actually more follicle buildup than anything, because I was, especially then, because I was, well, and apparently sebum is very big buildup. It's just the oils from our scalp mixed with the dryness of my scalp, like that builds up, you know. So
The only reason I can tell the difference is because mine was mold because I couldn't wash my hair in Nicaragua. So it was full of sand and I went to bed with it wet. It was just, it was mold. So, and now when I can see other people's dreads and they don't have mold, I can see the difference because I had it. So it was good.
Was yours green?
Mine was
Did I see it?
malty brown. It was very chunky.
It was gunky,
It was
right?
a lot because it was mixed with the sand.
Yeah.
I had a lot of beach
There was sand,
'cause
yeah.
I was in my growth stage on the beach for 2 months. And it just, the beach went in my hair.
Yeah.
And then we didn't have a shower, we didn't have running water, so there were 2 days I couldn't dry my hair or wash it out. So the salt water, everything, it just, and it was growth stage.
That was
so.
a bad, well, not a bad, but it was a lesson learned. I don't know, what was that for you? What did you?
It was definitely one of the coolest experiences of my life.
It's tough though. Those are the hardest stages of dreads too. You know, when you're just starting them out, and then you decide to
My
get
hair life.
in the what?
My hair life.
Hair life.
Most exciting
Man,
part
I
of my
can't believe we
hair
got interrupted there by that freaking alarm. So I don't know if it got on, you know, if it got on video or not, but there was like an Amber Alert sound that went off, which wasn't an Amber Alert at all, but it was a testing for other things that they're going to be alerting us with, such as, you know, how martial law, everybody stay at home, you can't leave for Christmas, military's here. So that was pretty alarming, we must say. Let's go back into nature because that kind of unsettled everything. Don't you agree? Let's go into nature. One more take. Let's go down. Let's get out of here. This place is played out now. Gotta keep it moving. And a couple other ideas I had, to let you know, was like if we're gonna go film for an hour, that hour could include us just trying to get onto a rooftop for an hour, you know, like stuff like that. Just ending up somewhere that's kind of cool. That's because that's, to me, that's the air element. It's getting onto a rooftop into the air, you know. So that kind of stuff will be fun. But we just gotta keep it flowing, keep the good vibes going. Not Nation. Oh, I could zoom in too from here. Wow, look at that. Crazy. What? Tilt it down a bit? More? Yeah. Cool. All right. Okay, you stay on the path. And I'm gonna go down a bit. And then, okay, follow from there. Oh, yeah, follow from there. Oh. We're on the golf course, but we're not golfing today. Tilt it up. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna do the, oh, that's sick. That was crazy. Good job. That was called the Alfred Hitchcock effect. When I zoom in as you walked in.
Oh.
So let's try it again.
What is?
Wait, what do I have to do? Oh yeah, there we go.
Zoom in as I.
Yeah, that's crazy.
You walk towards
I
me.
did
I'm
it.
supposed
That
to
it
walk
worked.
towards
It
you.
worked. Right now, yeah. Street interviews was another thing we were just talking about. Seeing, getting people's emotions, how they're feeling. through these. Good job. You're doing great. It's like the easiest job. The camera does everything for you. Ready? Look at salsa. You like it? All right, let's go. Moving to South America soon to be a professional dancer. Let's go actually golfing. Yeah, I didn't think it was actually open. So yeah, beautiful day. Thanks for watching. What's that? Yeah, it's not the best day all the time. People really like to see the shots of my dreads in different angles.
Yeah.
And especially in that video, you got that good shot above when I was looking down the manhole. That was a cool angle. Oh wow, that looks sick right here. Yeah, that looks dope. That looks really good. You're doing a great job there filming. And what we're doing is just making content. This is how we do it. I can't see myself. Oh, there it is. This path here?
No.
Whoa. Okay, we got the shot. We're crushing it.
Whoa.
Imagine this is how we hiked.
Like a zombie,
It looks like a zombie.
right? It does. Remember when they had that Pokemon? Was it Pokemon?
Yeah,
And everybody was walking around to different parks looking down on their phones?
that's all they did.
It was so weird.
Hello. Oh, one more thing to mention. The contest happened. I mentioned the contest last week, and it's happening now on Instagram until the 30th of November. So check out that post. It's yellow with a pineapple. You can't miss it. The contest details are there. I'm giving away a swim cap, a Dreadlock tam, and 2 bottles of Dreadlock oil. Hello. I think this is the most scenic spot of our trip right here.
Absolutely.
This area looks amazing. Look how much like Vancouver right here. I call Hamilton Little Vancouver. Can you tilt it down a bit? Yeah, perfect. Oh, stop. It's hammer time. I don't know, I'm just feeling a happy mood today. Do a little happy dance. It's good to get it out of your system, right? Perfect. So yeah, I'm gonna end it here for now. Let's go to the car for a minute and see how we do. But keep filming because this pathway is nice as well. Looks amazing. Stop right here for 1 second. I think it's been a pretty good day. Random, rainy, kind of exactly what I expected. Random rainy vlog. Out in the woods, keeping it real. The only thing we didn't do was spark up. random rainy vlog. Oh, so many squirrels out. Holy crap. You know, this neighborhood is so nice. You gotta love this neighborhood.